Hey commercial loan officers and lending professionals. In this video, you're going to discover the future of loan marketing that's going to change how you get more lending opportunities forever. What if I told you there's an AI-powered solution that qualifies leads, schedules appointments, and increases your loan applications to drive more closed loans? If increasing your loan submissions, boosting originations, growing your new loan production isn't a priority for you, then you can stop watching this right now. But if you're an experienced commercial loan officer or owner of a lending firm determined to fund more deals, then keep watching. With our cutting-edge smart AI assistants, you'll engage prospects instantly, 24/7, nurturing them into loyal, repeat clients. Our AI solutions work tirelessly to capture and qualify incoming lending opportunities, seamlessly scheduling appointments that convert into funded loans. Forget about manual lead follow-up and delayed responses that are costing you deals. Our AI handles it all, lightning fast, providing a top-notch borrower experience that leaves competitors in the dust. From website chat to missed call automation and increasing social media engagement, our AI attracts and engages potential borrowers at every touch point. And it gets better. We'll show you how to revitalize your database, reactivating dormant opportunities and fostering enduring client relationships for a steady stream of recurring loan production. So if increasing your loan volumes, boosting your bottom line, and leaving manual busy work behind sounds good, you can't afford to miss what's coming up. We're going to dive into each AI solution, and I'll give you a live demo of our Prince Charming AI assistant in action. You'll see firsthand how effortlessly it breathes life back into dead, unresponsive leads and guides them towards becoming funded deals. A word of warning though, what you're about to witness will disrupt everything you know about loan marketing and client acquisition. So if you're comfortable sticking to outdated methods and stunting your growth, you can close this video right now. However, if you're ready to leverage cutting-edge AI that drives more lending opportunities, secures more appointments, and funds more loans on autopilot, then keep watching. This is a game changer you can't afford to miss. All right, let's get into it. So here on the screen, you'll see a mobile website for a business lending company. In the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see that there's a widget and a chat bubble for someone to engage with your business. So if somebody lands on your website and they want to start asking questions to learn more about your services, they would click on this little icon in the corner and they might type in their first message. In this case, hey, I'm looking to get a loan for my business. And that's where our smart AI kicks in. In this case, the persona is named Ashley. We say that you are in the right place, and then we ask for their permission to start asking questions, which of course these are qualifying questions. Now, we don't tell them that they're qualifying questions, but that's essentially what they are. The questions can be changed for what your sales process is to determine if someone is qualified or not. And so we ask them for permission to ask questions. Of course, my name is Jerry. And then say, okay, great to meet you, Jerry. What kind of business do you have and how long have you been in business for? So first off, notice that we're using their name back. Everybody's name is the most important word to them. So we want to use it often. And then we start again asking them questions. They would say something like, it's a machine shop. I've been in business for 12 years. That's impressive. So we always want to affirm, that what they're saying is a great thing or not, depending on what the situation is. How much are you looking to borrow and over what time period are you looking to repay it? So those are some, qualifying questions. 225,000 over 36 months, maybe 48. Not totally sure. Totally understandable, Jerry. We can definitely discuss all your options for loan repayment terms. So, again, reaffirming what they're saying, that they're on the right track, that they're in a safe place, that sort of thing. Would you say your credit score is excellent, good, or needs work? I'm not totally sure. No troubles buying my car last year, so it should be good. And then sounds like it shouldn't be a problem then. The next step would be to have a call so we can identify the right loan products for your needs. I have an opening today at 4:30, otherwise tomorrow at 9, which is best. So you can see that we're trying to segue, like once we've determined that, okay, we think this could be a good candidate for a business loan, we want to get them into an appointment to have a call or a live in-person meeting if that's what you want to do. And so we're suggesting 2 times, which is best, 4:30 tomorrow, 4:30 in the afternoon or tomorrow at 9. Today at 4:30 is best. I want to get this handled ASAP. Totally understand, Jerry. When you have this on your mind, it's best to get going on it right away. I'm the same way. So I've got you on the books for 4:30. Linda will call you then. Right on. Thanks so much. So what happens when your business misses phone calls? No worries. Our missed call text back AI has you covered. So whenever you miss a call, we'll instantly send a text message to your callers, engaging them and preventing them from contacting your competitors. This proactive approach boosts responsiveness and ultimately drives more loan submissions for your business. So on the screen, you'll see that there's a text message notification that pops up and it says, "Hi there, this is Ashley from Smart Business Loans. I see we missed your call. How can we help?" And of course, when the person goes to their text message, they'll see that text message just like I mentioned. And of course, the conversation would start from there. "Hi, this is Mark. I'm interested in getting a loan for my business." "Great, Mark. I'd be happy to help with that. Would it be okay to ask you a few questions to better assist you?" And of course, just like the previous conversation that I showed you on the website, we would go through and start asking, how much they're looking to borrow. And, can you tell us a bit about your business? They have an HVAC business looking to borrow around $300,000 for new vehicles and staffing. Sounds like a great use of funds. What length of time are you looking to repay it? 18 to 24 months, question mark. That should be doable. Would you say your credit score is excellent, good, or needs work? Excellent, I think. Great to hear. It sounds like we should be able to help you. The next step would be have a quick call. This call should only take a few minutes. Does this afternoon at 1 or 1:30 work for you? I can do 1:30. Excellent. Jesse will call you at 1:30 at this number. He's really great, so I know you'll be in good hands. Awesome, thanks. So as you can see, we took a missed opportunity. We weren't able to answer the phones for whatever reason. Maybe we were busy, someone was in the washroom or having lunch, whatever the reason may be. But we were able to send a text message out to the caller and the AI kicks in, engages with them automatically, and schedules a call back for your business. Pretty cool, right? All right, now let's talk about Google Business Profile Chat. This innovative solution allows you to interact with business owners who are seeking capital right when they're searching for a loan. By actively chatting with searchers, you'll not only stand out in search results, but it'll also give your local SEO a boost, meaning you'll gain a competitive edge over other commercial lenders in your marketplace. So if we look at your Google Business Profile on a mobile device, you first need to activate chat, which we'll do for you. And you'll see that there's a button that says chat. And so you would click on that chat button, which you guessed it, opens up the chat functionality. So it would say, "Hi, this is Megan. I'm interested in getting a loan for my business." "Hey, Megan, I'm Ashley. Thanks for reaching out. We can definitely help you with that. Great. What interest rates do you guys offer?" And then we would say, your rate depends on your product that best suits your goals. How much are you looking to borrow? And of course, from there, we go into asking all the qualifying questions and then scheduling the callback or in-person appointment. So this is awesome for a number of reasons. It helps to give you the competitive advantage because a lot of your competitors aren't using Google Business Profile Chat yet. So it helps to make you stand out because you're giving better service to potential borrowers. Also, Google loves it when you use all of their functionality. And so by doing so, they'll actually give you some extra brownie points, which will help to boost you up a little bit in the Google search results, thus giving you even more exposure. And again, because this is fully automated, it works 24/7 around the clock, you'll be able to get more leads who are searching after business hours. So a great solution and a great way for you to engage with more people who have a high purchasing or borrowing intent. They're actively looking for a business lender like yourself right now in Google, and you'll be able to engage with them better and convert them into leads. Moving on to social media, our Facebook and Instagram organic post AI is a powerhouse for fueling viral growth. By prompting your followers to engage with targeted comments, our AI amplifies your content's visibility and reach thanks to the platform's algorithms. And with automated replies and seamless conversions, you'll never miss an opportunity to connect with potential borrowers. So here is an example of an Instagram account for a business lender, and you'll see that there's a post that's highlighted here. And in this post, it says to comment loan, specifically for more information how to access lending quickly. And so when somebody leaves a comment, so when they click on the comment icon there, and then they comment loan as instructed and then post it, what happens is our AI will automatically respond to them to instruct them to check their direct messages, so check your DMs in this case, and then they'll get a notification on their phone that they've received a new message. And so when they check their messages, they'll see something like this message that says, hey, here's a link with info about how our business loans work, and of course a link to the website. Could be a link to your application page. Have a look and let me know if you have any questions about anything. They might respond with something like, thanks, will do. And so from there, we want to engage them further and keep the conversation going. So we might ask them, great, while you're looking, mind if I ask what you'd use the loan for? No worries, I own a fish packing plant and I'm looking to upgrade some old equipment to something newer. That makes sense. Having up-to-date equipment is important to stay competitive in this market. Any idea how much you'll need for this purchase? And so from there, we would go into the same qualifying questions. And what's amazing with this is by asking your followers or viewers to comment on your post, you can trigger automations to respond to their comment and send messages that will engage with them. And you can go into the qualification questions, but also because they and you are commenting on your post, you're getting a lot more engagement on the post. And so the algorithm will say, hey, this is a great post. Let's show this to more of their followers. And it just keeps going in that flywheel where they're showing it to more people are engaging. You're starting more conversations on autopilot. Really cool stuff and a great way to get more lending opportunities. So that's some organic methods, but what about paid advertising? So our Meta Messenger Ads AI, so Facebook and Instagram, can help you stop wasting your ad budget on ineffective campaigns. By leveraging Messenger ads, you'll enjoy a lower cost per lead while engaging users instantly and providing round-the-clock availability. No more missed lending opportunities due to delayed responses. So here we see ads on Facebook and Instagram that might say something like, do you want to expand your business but need funds to do it? We can help. Need a loan for your business? Click here to send a message, that type of thing. And so on Facebook, basically they would click the send a message and the person would enter a message. I saw your ad about getting a business loan. Can you tell me how your services work? Certainly, we offer a few different loan products, and then they go into the qualifying questions. So on Instagram, it's basically the same process. They see the ad, they click on send message. There's a pop-up that comes. So there's one additional step here. They would click on send message for, yes, I want to get funding for my business. And then the same process goes in where they would send a message, the AI kicks in, we start engaging with them and qualifying them, and then scheduling the appointment that way. So the reason why this is so important and can make such a big difference on your business is not only does it interact with people, automatically, it does it after hours and all the same stuff we talked about before, is it'll help to lower your ad costs and to get a lower cost per lead. And the reason for this is because Facebook and Instagram, they want to keep you on the platform. The more that someone is on the platform, the more likely they'll click other ads and they'll make money, right? And so instead of sending people off of platform, when you see the ad and you click and you go to a landing page off of Facebook or Instagram, you're doing it within Messenger. They're still in the app. And so therefore, when they're done with you, that they might go back and start, clicking on other ads, thus making Facebook and Instagram more money by ad revenue, right? And so when you keep them on the platform using Messenger ads, they're going to reward you and they're going to give you a lower cost per lead. So really cool stuff. All right, so this is the moment you've all been waiting for, the live database reactivation demo. In this demo, you'll experience our Prince Charming AI in action as if you were a dormant commercial loan lead named Mark in a lending business's database. So watch how our Prince Charming AI breathes new life into this opportunity through personalized outreach, reigniting the conversation and guiding Mark towards becoming a funded deal. So reaching out to your database is easily the fastest and easiest way to get a positive ROI. There's a couple different types of campaigns that you can use, which is either reaching out to dead, unconverted leads or reaching out to your existing database of clients who have gotten loans from you before. So maybe they need to get another loan. Maybe you want to ask them if they know anyone else who needs a loan and you can get a referral. And in this case, we're going to act as a dead lead who has been unresponsive. You'll see that I've got a chat widget here. And if I click on it, we've got a live chat widget on a website. This does not take place on the website. We actually send out messages through SMS text messages, which have a high read and response rate. And so we would basically take your database of dead unconverted leads in this case and upload them to our software and let the AI take control. And so we would send out a message in small batches because we don't want to overwhelm your sales team. And so the message would say something like this: "Hi, it's Ashley from Smart Business Loans," or whatever your business is. "Is this the same Mark that reached out to us recently about getting a business loan?" Now, this has some psychology in it, and basically all we want to do with this first message, we're not trying to pitch them, we're not trying to sell them anything, we just want them to respond, "Yes, it is. Yes, I am Mark in this case, and I was previously interested in a business loan," right? So again, we're just trying to get them to respond, because if they respond once, they're more than likely to respond again. And so I'm going to go in and I'm going to say, "Yes, this is Mark." And so the AI is going to kick in. We have programmed it to respond a certain way. And so again, this next message has a lot of psychology in it. "Awesome. I had a Post-it note stuck to my computer to give you a call, but didn't want to disturb you without checking first," right? So that line basically is saying that we are anticipating a phone call conversation with them, but we're being polite. We didn't want to, harass them. So are you still exploring financing options for purchasing new equipment for your business? So in this case, it's, specifically a new equipment loan, but we want to find out, are they still interested? Maybe they got a loan somewhere else, maybe they no longer need it. And so we just want to ask them, are they still interested in exploring a loan? I've been busy, but would like to get back to this. So based on what I say, obviously the AI is going to respond. So if I responded one way, the AI might respond slightly different. That's great. If it's all right, I'd like to learn a little bit more about your current situation. How long have you been in business and what's your revenue history? So I'll say 5 years. So I've been in business for 5 years and we're growing 15% year over year. Impressive growth. Regarding your business's credit score, would you say it's excellent, good, or low? So it's been pretty good as far as I know. If we were to say it's low, then at that point we might trigger a message that said, sorry if you've got poor credit, or unable to assist you, or we might steer them into a credit repair offer or something like that. But basically, we would program the AI to respond, differently depending on different situations. Good to hear. What's the approximate value of the equipment you're looking to buy, and what's your ideal repayment time you're looking for? So let's say 300,000, maybe 3 to 4 years. We can definitely help you with that. Would you like to schedule a call back to discuss your options? That's a good idea. So here is where we're going to suggest a couple different times. We want to find out, is morning or afternoon better? Afternoon is best. Sounds good. Would 2 p.m. or 4 p.m. tomorrow work better for a quick 15-minute conversation? Obviously, if your calls take more than 15 minutes, if it's 30 minutes, then we would say so. Or not at all, depending on what you want. But basically, we're asking them which is the best time for them. So let's say 2 p.m. works. Excellent. I've got you scheduled 2 p.m. for one of our senior lenders, Luke. We'll be calling you to discuss your equipment funding needs in more detail. Please have any relevant information handy. We're looking forward to working with you. So a couple different things here is, we're mentioning that Luke is awesome, which is basically encouraging them to make sure that they answer the phone when we call them tomorrow at 2 p.m. Pretty amazing, right? This is just a glimpse of the power our smart AI solutions can unleash for your commercial lending business. If you're ready to capture more leads, convert more prospects, and drive sustainable loan production, schedule a demo with us today by clicking the link in the description or under this video. Let's explore how our smart AI can be tailored to your specific needs and take your lending operations to new heights. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Book your demo now and unlock a world of possibility with our cutting-edge smart AI solutions. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.